What's up, guys? It's been a long time since I made a video on this channel, and I want to update you guys on the video where I teach you guys how to make a open and closed GUI, because some of you guys in the comments are saying it's not working because Roblox Studio has updated a bunch since I made that last video. So I'm gonna update you guys on how to make the GUI. So let's get started. So for the first step, you're going to make a simple UI for a game. So insert a screen GUI, a frame, and also a text button. And then you're going to want to design and, fix it. So let's just skip to the part where I made my UI. Alright, so this is the finished UI. And as you can see, we got our frame and also the text button. And yeah, so let's create a local script inside the screen GUI. So we can do that. And then now, first, you want to make variables for your frame and also your text button. So local frame equals to script.Parent.Frame. As you can see, it's referencing the script and then the parent, which is the screen GUI, and then frame, which is selecting this. And then we're going to local button equals to script.Parent.Button. Actually, it's not dot button, it's dot text button. So the AI got it wrong. And yeah, make sure it's to the name you set the text button, because a lot of the times you guys messed up and the code is not working is because you guys messed up the position inside the like the screen GUI. Maybe it's inside the frame, like it's inside here, and maybe it can mess up the script. So that is why you want to put it inside the screen GUI, and also the name must be like the same with the script. So like if I set this button to Jumbo, the script will error because it's referencing the wrong object. So make sure if you rename this to Jumbo or anything else, just rename it back, and then you won't have the code error. And then now you're gonna make a function, which it conveniently just typed it out for me. Yep, and then like this. It's the simplest script ever, and yeah, it's already done. Now you can test the game out. There we go. As you can see, it's working very perfectly, and yeah, I hope you guys enjoy this simple tutorial. And I also hope this video helped you guys learn scripting, because this is quite a simple script and it's very easy to be understandable. So like this is the button, this is the signal, and then you connect it with a function, and then this is the function's like script. So I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial, this simple tutorial, and if you guys want me to upload more on this channel, please let me know in the comments, because I've become like very busy in life and I just don't have the motivation to make videos like this. So anyways, see you guys in the next video.